everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I have some things really interesting to show you from the beauty category. So there will be makeup and there will be pre-makeup products which you would love to see, and some of them are my favorites already and some of them are absolutely new. I will be swatching them, reviewing them, giving my first impressions in this video. It's going to be a really interesting one, so keep watching the video till the end and I will show you all glam. So let's get started. Let's talk about the first product. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I have been using ice rollers for quite some time now, and I have been religiously using them on my skin with different recipes depending on the time of the day, depending on how much time I have in hand and also the requirement of my skin. So here is the ice roller I am talking about. I got this one from Amazon at super cheap. This is available in different varieties, so as per your budget you can give it a try. There is a branded one as well, but these ones are generic and I got hold of one of this because I was wanting to try it first before investing into a higher quality product. So this is how it looks like. This will be a random color sent to you if you buy this particular brand, and this is how it opens up. So you fill in the water or your recipe in the tub below, and after that close it up. There is a opening on the top. You open it and then you pour the remaining recipe or water. Fill it up. Don't fill it completely, fill it just 90%, like till here, and then that's about it. Freeze it in the freezer and you will not believe the amazing results you're going to get with this. Always remember to wash this after every use. You can also put it in hot water for like 1 minute for it to be completely fresh and renewed again. This is made out of silicone. I will make a separate video on ice rollers on Instagram real soon, so follow me there and I will show you different kind of recipes of preparing it and how it affected my skin. Moving on to the next product, which is also a revolutionary one I would say, and you have to watch this. I have a lot of hair problems. My hair is not the densest you would see. It is not the straightest you would see. I really wanted to go for hair color, but I did not, fearing the damage. I found out something super interesting and God gifted on Amazon. Here it is. This is a non-permanent hair color I found out on Amazon, and this one is in blue color. There are 4 to 5 different shades and I got this blue one because this looked the safest. So they say it is one wash lasting and no gloves required for painting, for coloring your hair, and rapid dry and zero damage. So I haven't even opened it yet. Euphoria Blue, it is 30 ml of a product and it is super cheap for the change of look it's gonna give you. Alright, so that was quite interesting. Moving on to the next product. So the next product is also very gimmicky I thought, but then I had to order it. You can see the excitement on my face. So I had seen this very popular brand making powder lipsticks. I did not try that brand truly speaking, but I had to dig in this one when I saw it on Amazon. I stumbled upon it, and guys, with the packaging I was so impressed that I had to get it. Plus the formula was powder into lipstick, so I had to get it, right, because it is so interesting. Makeup can be super interesting if you find the right stuff. So this is one of those stuff. This looks so lovely, and the brand is called Gia, and they make these powder lipsticks. This is like powder, right? This is also available in pink color. I got the orange one because I have loads of pink color lipsticks already, and I'm quite impressed with this because this is a perfect summer color, summer vibe, because little goes a long way, and it's mostly like a tint where you can just touch up your lips with some hint of color and go light and go easy. So this was a very interesting product, don't you think so? Moving on to the next interesting product. Out of all of you who watches Shark Tank, take your hands up. I do was really interested in one brand from the beauty category, which was Recode, and the way they were bashed on the show, I was not quite happy. Just because Sugar was present in the show and Recode came up for an investment, they were sort of bashed and ragged. I thought I wanted to try their products and see for myself how do they perform, how are they like, how's the quality. I was not thinking about the packaging like the way it was ridiculed in the show. But when I ordered one product from Recode from Amazon, I am impressed, I got to tell you. So I have ordered this. This is a game changer lipstick in the shade yellow. So they come in different shades. They have a black, white, yellow, blue, called a game changer lipstick for a reason, because it can change the color of your lipstick you are wearing. First impression was really good because they had sent a nice bag of scented petals, which are artificial petals, and they scented really well. They still do. And the second impression positive on me was the wand of this. So this is the bent wand, and I was really impressed for a tight hug on the lips it would give you. So you can see I am wearing an orange lipstick which is reddish, and now I'm going to put this. I am going to not take too much of it, just a little bit. Is now into a peach color. Don't you think it's a difference, clear difference? So now it is stained. I will clean it up and then I'm going to put it back into the tube. That's how finicky I am. I like to keep my makeup brushes, my makeup applicators swanky clean so that it doesn't get contaminated. The thing I love about this Recode Game Changer lipstick is that it instantly mattifies your lipstick. So I was wearing a semi-matte finish lipstick from the bullet category, and this instantly made my lips into a matte finish lipstick. Wow. Moving on to the next product. The next viral product from Instagram is this particular blush from Inside Cosmetics, and this blush is just for 80 rupees or something, and I love such budget products. And I'm going to swatch it and show you how does it look like. So this is how the packaging is. It is a transparent cap which is screwable, and it opens like this, and this is the color. It's fantastic. Let me just swatch it. Wow, it's very creamy. Wow, I love it. Alright, so the next product category is this Derma Co sunscreen, which is in powder form, and this is how the packaging looks like, how it opens up, and it is like a lipstick which opens up like this. And this is the brush which you're going to apply on your skin with, and this is just for touch-ups, guys. This is not your ultimate one-stop solution for sunscreen. This is just for touch-ups. When you are out, you cannot reach out to your sunscreen tubes. Go where always carry this in your bag and go for touch-ups. Let me tell you and break this out to you that your sunscreen powders and sunscreen sticks are not the only form of protection you should have. You should apply your actual sunscreen whichever you use, and upon that carry these pan sticks or the powders as a safety measure for reapplying the sunscreen. It is never a one-stop solution, always remember that. Moving on to the next product, which is a very viral product you will see on Instagram beauty pages. It is this cute little heart gloss. So this one I got from Amazon, and these are surprisingly quite pricey. For this little amount I had to pay around 200 rupees, but is it worth it? Let me try out. So this is a very dainty looking lip gloss. It is a very fit to any purse and wallet kind of a size, and this is how the gloss wand looks like, and it is a beautiful gloss as a topper you can put on your lips. I'm going to show you. From matte to glossy, and this can be used as a top up anywhere, anytime. Put it in your purse and you're good to go. So here is another favorite from the brand Mars, and we all know about Mars if we do makeup. So this is set A of 3 lip glosses which are all matte finish. So there's a red, there's a brown, and there's a beige. I love it. Again, I'm saying so much love because actually I love all of these products, guys. These are very cute. So can you see the packaging? It's so literally like a tiny thing. You can easily pack it in your bag and go about it. And I'm swatching all the 3 shades to show you. There are 2 sets, A and B, so you can go for your choice. I have picked up this because this is more of variety in color, and this is how the 3 colors looks like. This is the red, the brown and the beige. It's beautiful, beautiful. And these are very, very matte finish. Moving on to the next product, which is the Pop XO nail paint collection in pack of 5. So I've got this pastel range which has these 5 colors. Beautiful baby pink, sea green, a baby blue, a yellow and a mauve. So these shades are called Retrograde, Cloud9, Bubble Yum, Sunday, Matcha. These are so pretty, and I am currently wearing these as well. You can see one on each nail, and these are quite good. So for the price you pay, you are literally paying peanuts for each of these colors. That is it, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Let me know which one was your favorite product and which one would you like to try next. And all the product links are in the description box. Go check it out. If you buy from there, I will be highly motivated to make more such videos for you, and I will see you in the next video super soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe right now and share this video with your friends, and follow me on Instagram for daily life updates. I will see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.